Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which ocean is Bora Bora located in? Is it A, South Pacific, B, Indian, or C, Atlantic? It is A, South Pacific. Which butterfly is known for its long migration from North America to Mexico? Is it A, swallowtail, B, monarch butterfly, or C, painted lady? It is B, monarch butterfly. What position did Gabriel Boric assume as a notable political leader in Chile? Is it A, senator, B, president, or C, mayor? It is B, president. Who was Germany's first female chancellor? Is it A, Angela Merkel, B, Ursula von der Leyen, or C, Annalena Baerbock? It is A, Angela Merkel. What is the capital city of the Marshall Islands, located on the atoll of Majuro? Is it A, Tarawa, B, Majuro, or C, Honiara? It is B, Majuro. What distinctive feature is commonly associated with leopard's fur pattern? Is it A, stripes, B, spots, or C, solid color? It is B, spots. What type of art is Andy Warhol best known for? Is it A, pop art, B, impressionism, or C, cubism? It is A, pop art. What type of service is Twilio known for providing? Is it A, communication APIs, B, social media analytics, or C, cloud storage? It is A, communication APIs. Which award did the film Her win at the 86th Academy Awards? Is it A, Best Actress, B, Best Director, or C, Best Original Screenplay? It is C, Best Original Screenplay. What is the primary focus of graph theory in mathematics? Is it A, analysis of equations, B, study of graphs, or C, geometry of shapes? It is B, study of graphs. What type of instrument is a xylophone classified as? Is it A, percussion, B, string, or C, woodwind? It is A, percussion. What process in photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy? Is it A, photolysis, B, Calvin cycle, or C, photosystem? It is C, photosystem. Which Netflix romantic comedy film is Noah Centineo known for starring in as the lead character Peter Kavinsky? Is it A, To All the Boys I've Loved Before, B, The Kissing Booth, or C, Sierra Burgess is a Loser? It is A, To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Which philosophical movement emphasizes practical consequences and real-world applications as the basis of meaning and truth? Is it A, rationalism, B, idealism, or C, pragmatism? It is C, pragmatism. What record did Usain Bolt set in the 100 meters at the 2009 World Championships? Is it A, 9.84 seconds, B, 9.73 seconds, or C, 9.58 seconds? It is C, 9.58 seconds. Which country is home to Lake Sevan, one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world? Is it A, Azerbaijan, B, Georgia, or C, Armenia? It is C, Armenia. What is the primary ingredient in teriyaki sauce? Is it A, soy sauce, B, barbecue sauce, or C, hot sauce? It is A, soy sauce. Where is the Andaman Sea located? Is it A, Southeast Asia, B, South America, or C, Northern Europe? It is A. Southeast Asia. What is the main theme of the song Intentions by Justin Bieber featuring Quavo? Is it A. Love and support, B. Fame and wealth, or C. Party culture? It is A. Love and support. Which genre of music is Maluma primarily known for? Is it A. Jazz, B. Reggaeton, or C. Classical? It is B. Reggaeton. What is the main product of the esterification reaction between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid? Is it A. Alcohol, B. Ester, or C. Ether? It is B. Ester. What cellular process uses energy to move substances against their concentration gradient? Is it A. Osmosis, B. Passive diffusion, or C. Active transport? It is C. Active transport. What traditional activity is commonly associated with the Pingxi Lantern Festival in Taiwan? Is it A. Performing dragon dances, B. Releasing sky lanterns, or C. Making dumplings? It is B. Releasing sky lanterns. What chemical element has the symbol Ta? Is it A. Titanium, B. Tantalum, or C. Thallium? It is B. Tantalum. Which country is famous for its own unique version of jollof rice? Is it A. Mexico, B. Italy, or C. Nigeria? It is C. Nigeria. What is the primary geographical feature of the Great Dividing Range in Australia? Is it A. Mountain range, B. River system, or C. Desert? It is A. Mountain range. Which two countries were primarily involved in the signing of the Treaty of Tordesillas in 1494? Is it A. Spain and Portugal, B. France and England, or C. Italy and Germany? It is A. Spain and Portugal. What unique audio format is known for its large discs and analog sound quality? Is it A. Vinyl record, B. CD, or C. Digital download? It is A. Vinyl record. What is Johannes Kepler best known for in astronomy? Is it A. Invention of the telescope, B. Discovery of gravity, or C. Laws of planetary motion? It is C. Laws of planetary motion. Which song is Aretha Franklin famously known for as the Queen of Soul? Is it A. I Will Always Love You, B. Respect, or C. Natural Woman? It is B. Respect. What late-night talk show is Conan O'Brien best known for hosting? Is it A. Late Night with Seth Meyers, B. The Daily Show, or C. The Tonight Show? It is C. The Tonight Show. What is Monterrey known for being a major center of in Mexico? Is it A. Agriculture, B. Tourism, or C. Industry? It is C. Industry. What cuisine is known for its use of spices and herbs? Is it A. Mexican, B. Italian, or C. Thai? It is C. Thai. Which Ivy League school is known for its law school and has produced 5 U.S. presidents? Is it A. Yale University, B. Harvard University, or C. Princeton University? It is A. Yale University. What epic poem is Odysseus known for being a central character in? Is it A. The Odyssey, B. The Iliad, or C. Beowulf? It is A. The Odyssey. Which pop song by Katy Perry became a global hit in 2010? Is it A. Firework, B. Roar, or C. California Girls? It is A. Firework. Who is the Prime Minister of Barbados as of 2023? Is it A. Ralph Gonsalves, B. Gaston Brown, or C. Mia Mottley? It is C. Mia Mottley. What is Amsterdam widely known for as a popular tourist attraction? Is it A. Mountains, B. Canals, or C. Deserts? It is B. Canals. What is the primary process that powers the sun and is harnessed in fusion energy? Is it A. Nuclear fission, B. Nuclear fusion, or C. Chemical reaction? It is B. Nuclear fusion. What is the range of the cosine function? Is it A. 0 to 1, B. minus 1 to 1, or C. minus 2 to 2? It is B. minus 1 to 1. Which process in biology involves the removal of solid particles from liquids? Is it A. Filtration, B. Distillation, or C. Evaporation? It is A. Filtration. What phenomenon is Heinrich Hertz best known for demonstrating experimentally? Is it A. Electromagnetic waves, B. X-rays, or C. Radioactivity? It is A. Electromagnetic waves. What is the primary objective of a cricket match? Is it A. Bowl wickets, B. Catch balls, or C. Score runs? It is C. Score runs. Which type of music is Johann Sebastian Bach primarily known for composing? Is it A. Jazz, B. Classical, or C. Rock? It is B. Classical. What game show is Vanna White famously known for co-hosting? Is it A. Jeopardy, B. Wheel of Fortune, or C. The Price is Right? It is B. Wheel of Fortune. What is the main principle of Jainism that emphasizes non-violence towards all living beings? Is it A. Ahimsa, B. Karma, or C. Dharma? It is A. Ahimsa. What is the base ingredient used to make a traditional white sauce? Is it A. Olive oil, B. Butter, or C. Vegetable broth? It is B. Butter. What is the name of the book written by L. Ron Hubbard that outlines the teachings of Scientology? Is it A. The Power of Now, B. Dianetics, or C. The Art of War? It is B. Dianetics. What major tennis tournament did Daniil Medvedev win in 2021? Is it A. Australian Open, B. Wimbledon, or C. US Open? It is C. US Open. Which three sports are combined in a triathlon? Is it A. Swimming, hiking, rowing, B. Swimming, cycling, running, or C. Cycling, running, basketball? It is B. Swimming, cycling, running. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.